In this video, you'll learn how to claim and withdraw NOT tokens. This process involves checking your eligibility, claiming the tokens, and then withdrawing them to your wallet. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate the rewards or events section on the main dashboard. This area contains important information regarding token distributions. Look for the NOT token distribution announcement within this section. It is crucial to review the eligibility rules presented there. Ensure that your account meets all specified conditions to qualify for the distribution. Additionally, check if the NOT tokens are supported for withdrawal to ensure a smooth process later. After verifying your eligibility, proceed to claim your NOT tokens, navigate back to the distribution page and find the option to claim your tokens. You may need to complete verification steps such as confirming your identity or agreeing to terms. Keep an eye on the claim status as the tokens may appear in your account instantly or after the event concludes. Once you have claimed the tokens, familiarize yourself with any lockup rules that may apply. It is also advisable to save any confirmation details provided during this process as they may be useful for future reference. Now, to withdraw your NOT tokens, go to the Wallets section on the Binance platform. Select withdraw from the available options. From the list of assets, choose NOT token as the asset you wish to withdraw. Enter your wallet address carefully, ensuring you select the correct network for the transaction. Review the associated fees, as these can vary depending on the network and transaction size. After confirming that all details are accurate, securely confirm the transaction. You should be able to track the withdrawal status in your account dashboard. This step finalizes the withdrawal process, allowing you to manage your tokens as needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.